Hi everyone! So in today's video I will be making a very traditional December seasonal treat in Finland. So let's get started. When you think about December time, Christmas, holiday season in Finland, there are some specific foods that will usually come to mind quite quickly, this being one of them. And I just wanted to make them together, so if you visit Finland around this time of year, you'll know how to make them too. So what these are called is joulutorttu. Joulu means Christmas, joulu, and torttu means a tart or pastry, so it's a Christmas pastry. And also these can be called tähtitorttu. This is a less traditional word, but I guess it's more, with the whole happy holidays thing. There's also a alternative name, tähtitorttu. Tähti means star, and then so it's just star pastry because they sort of look like a star. So let's get started. You'll find these in the general freezer aisle in any Finnish supermarket. You can also buy them in the pastry section ready-made, but if you want to make them yourself, they do sell these in the freezer section, and you open it and you just have a package including these kind of rectangular dough rectangles. So dough in Finnish is taikina. And we make these around the holiday time to share with our friends and to spread some holiday cheer. Another way to spread holiday cheer this time of the year is actually through italki, since they're having inviting friends to join in the holiday spirit campaign. So I'll tell you more about that now. The sponsor of this video is once again italki, and the month of December is all about spreading holiday cheer, so why not sign up for an italki account and invite your friends to do the same, and by doing so you can get extra bonuses onto your italki account. So first of all, what is italki? Italki is a top-rated language learning platform. So the idea is you can practice speaking, for example Finnish, or any other language that you're learning with a native speaker. Now they have both community tutors as well as teachers. You can browse the different tutors and teachers, see what times they have available, look at different price points. You can also book a trial session with any of these tutors and teachers, and they are there to help you practice your speaking. So you can book a session with a certified native teacher, and they will have personalized study plans specifically made for you. And as it is the holiday period as well, once you've created your account, you can actually invite your friends to do the same. So if you have other friends that are interested in learning a language, it doesn't have to be Finnish, it can be whatever language, make sure to invite them. It benefits the both of you. So if you invite a friend and they sign up for an italki account, you will get $15 of credit that you can spend on a tutor or a teacher lesson together, and your friend as well will get $10 of credit that you can use on italki. So it's a win-win situation. It can be like a little holiday gift for yourself and your friends if you are studying languages together. So definitely click the link below, have a look, and let's improve our Finnish together this upcoming year. Alright, so welcome back. Let's learn more Finnish. So I'm just going to open this. Avata is to open. Avaan tämän paketin. I'll open this package. Eli asettelen nämä taikinat tähän päälle. Alright, so we have 5 of these. But actually, when you're making joulutorttu, the first step is to set it out, take a knife. Knife in Finnish is veitsi. And then you cut these dough pieces in half, with your veitsi. Eli veitsellä leikataan taikinat puoliksi. And the next step is to cut each corner from the middle to the outer corner. Eli leikataan veitsellä tästä sisältä ulkokulmaan. I'll show you how. Like so. Now that I'm all done with this, we're actually halfway through already. So next, what you need is this kind of torttuhillo, so a pastry jam. This, on the cover here, it says tähtitorttu, which is one of the names for these. Tähtitorttu, if you can remember, star pastry. This is the super duper traditional one. It is a luumu marmeladi. Luumu means plum, marmeladi, marmalade. So it's a sort of plum marmalade jam. I don't know. Ooh. Can you see it? It's a bit bright. Oh, yeah, you can sort of see it. But you'll find these again in any supermarket in Finland. And this other one is less traditional, but it's becoming a bit more popular these days. If you want a bit of a change from the traditional plum, or you just don't like plum. This one is called omena kaneli marmeladi. So apple, omena is apple, omena, omena. And kaneli is cinnamon. So apple cinnamon marmalade. Kaneli, cinnamon. Kaneli, kaneli, cinnamon. It looks, oh, almost stepped on my skirt. Can it focus? My light's very bright, so I'll have to see in the editing how much you can actually see, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So you can choose either or do a bit of both, which is what I'm going to be doing now. So all you do is you take a spoonful, lusikallinen is a spoonful, ja laitetaan tähän taikinan keskelle. Just like that. So if I lift this up, since the other camera's dead, you can see you just put it here into the center, and we will be folding them shortly. So I'll just finish doing this. Okay, sitten kun ollaan laitettu kaikki marmeladit tohon keskelle, then we get to the fun part, which is the folding, eli taittaminen. So on the package, it will show actually, not on this one. Some of the packages have some folding instructions on them, but this one doesn't. So I'll teach it to you, don't worry. So what you do is, hopefully you can kind of see, is this one in the shot? Yeah. So I'll take this, each corner, you'll take one and fold it into the center. And you don't take, sorry, did I say each corner? You take every other corner and fold it inside. So you take this one, you skip over this, then take this one, skip over, here, skip over, and here. So in the end, it looks like a star. I'll just get my phone so I can film a bit of a close-up as well. So that's the star one I just did. Then I'll show you the folding with one hand. Let's see how it goes. So every other one. So you fold this to the center, press it in, skip over, take this one, fold it to the center, press it in, skip, take this one, fold it to the center, press it in, skip, and then you put this one, fold it to the center, and press it in. Okay, this one's a bit funny looking because it was with one hand. But yeah, that is okay. Not this one actually looks better than the one that I actually focused on making. Oh well. Oops, now I got them a bit mixed up. Okay, well, anyways, let's just pretend they're nice and professional. That is what they look like, so I'll finish the rest of these and get back to you. But yeah, of course there's different kinds of shapes you can also do. You don't have to do just the traditional star one. For example, I think some of the packages show how you can make an angel shape, and you can kind of play around and fold them however you want. Fold all the corners in to make like a pocket, whatever floats your boat. But this star shape is the traditional shape, the one you'll see sold in stores, and hence why the name is also tähtitorttu, or star pastry. So yeah, I'll just finish folding these up now. All right, ta-da, it's done. Now you can see all of them finished, and I will be taking these downstairs to put into the oven in the kitchen. Keittiössä. Keittiö is kitchen. Eli nämä tähtitortut on nyt melkein valmiita. Okei, laitetaan nämä sitten uuniin. Oi! Oi! Okei. Sinne meni. Nähdään kohta. Ta-da! They are done. This is what it looks like once they're out of the oven. So they puff up quite a lot. Joo, tältä ne näyttää. That's what it looks like. So the plum ones and the omenakaneli. So yeah, I will wrap up this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed another baking video with me. Don't forget to check out italki. The link will be down in the description box, and I will see you again in another video. Moikka!